Jimmy DiResta released a set of Jimmy's Workshop line of You Build It Yourself wood kits. Jimmy asked everyone to share what they do with them. Here's the You Build It toolbox kit. Even though the parts are cut using a CNC, they're all still attached with tabs. To make this interesting, I'm only going to use a table saw to cut all the tabs. This is very dangerous, so don't do this. With all the parts cut, I have to decide how to make it my own. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe.